Hi, Phil from PDX.Gold here. I wanted to talk a little bit today about filtration. The number one reason for failure in many solvent recovery pumps is contamination. We wanted to talk specifically about our line of filtration that we call CycloneDry. CycloneDry, CycloneDryMAX, and CycloneDryMAX-XL. Current filter media that many organizations use is made up of a molecular sieve, which consists of many tiny beads that are contained in a cylinder. What we found is that in high-performance applications, the solvent moves past those beads so quickly, and it just flows around and through the beads, not necessarily through the beads, but just around and over them, kind of like a river flows around river rock. Those gaps between the beads allow for free passage of the solvent without any filtration taking effect. One of the things that we've done with our particular application is we've used larger filter media. You can see we've sectioned this one here so that you can see. What ours forces the solvent to do is pass through the filter media before it can get to the exit, which is protected by this fine micron mesh screen out to center. So one of the other things that we've done is when we've designed this, we direct the solvent around the perimeter of the cylinder. This forms a cyclonic action and allows the cylinder to act as a cold trap. Any organic matter that's suspended in the solvent hits the outside of the cylinder, is cooled, and drops to the bottom before then passing through the filter media and out the center. All of our CycloneDrys are protected by a relief valve up to 150 psi. We also have third-party certification for every one of the items that we offer. One of the other benefits of the CycloneDry system is that when it's time to replace the center core, because of its saturation, simply remove this quick release clamp and pull the entire core out as a unit. Oftentimes, we provide a secondary set of cores that you can replace back in there while you put your first core set into the vacuum oven and bake it out and recondition it for use again later. This allows you to get back up and running in less time than you've spent watching these videos. One of the other benefits of this particular system is we only have 2 cores in this particular size. Think of all the time and trouble that you've spent chasing down beads that happen to jump out of your molecular sieve. This is simpler, cleaner, easier to maintain. One of the other benefits of the size differences that you see here is this one has 2 of the cores. And while these are gangable, so that you can daisy chain these together, 1, 2, 10, doesn't matter, we now offer the next size up, CycloneDryMAX, which contains 3 cores, 50% more than our original one. And we also offer CycloneDryMAX-XL, which offers twice of the absorptive capability as our original one. CycloneDry line of filtration systems, the gold standard in protecting your equipment, increasing your efficiency, and improving profitability. Contact us today about the CycloneDry or our other vapor recovery equipment. Reach out to us at PDX.Gold or find us at Instagram. Thank you for your time.